How to enable parental controls on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable parental controls on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top, and then just click this one, parental controls, and then just click enable, and here you will find set password. Just set any password you want and then type it again, and as you see parental controls have been enabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.